The solar system. The solar system? What is an solar system? Has it got anything to do with those panels on people's houses? Why is it that they're always pointed towards the big bright thing in the sky that burns my eyes whenever I look at it? And speaking of, why are all these big rocks floating around it? Like, what are all them? And why are they even floating around it? All these questions and more will be answered on today's episode of Lightyear. The first planet in our solar system, also known as Sol by the way, is Mercury, the smallest planet that orbits our sun. Commonly mistaken as the hottest planet in the solar system, it's actually not, but it has the widest range of temperatures. At night, the surface of the planet gets down to minus 180 degrees. But as soon as the sun rises, you get melted by 430. So Venus is significantly more interesting in my opinion, so we're just going to move on. Why is it more interesting? Well, it's actually upside down, which is the only planet in the solar system that is like that. But that's not all, its days are longer than its years, and this is because the atmosphere is so thick it quite literally slows down its momentum to rotate. And speaking of the atmosphere, remember when I said that Mercury isn't the hottest planet? That's because it's actually Venus, because its atmosphere is made up of 96% carbon dioxide, which basically creates the greenhouse effect on Earth, but to 10 times the effect. This causes surface temperatures to reach heights of 460 degrees, and because of how dense the atmosphere actually is, it creates high pressure, so you can't actually stand on Venus very easily. Unless you're just skilled like me, yeah. See, why is everyone looking at Mars? It's because many years ago, Mars used to have an atmosphere that got blown off in a solar storm. This is because the planet was too small to keep its atmosphere, whatever, that's not the point. The reason this is interesting is because before this happened, there's a high chance Mars used to look a lot like Earth. It used to have oceans and stuff. And because it used to, scientists are interested in whether or not life is there. Is there any? I don't really think so, I'm going to be honest. I mean, I reckon we'll find some microscopic life one day, because Mars has a lot of ice on the surface, so therefore there could be some in there. But I don't think it's a big deal, to be honest. I mean, you kind of go to Mars and you look around for 2 seconds and you've kind of seen it all. It's just a red desert. Just go to the Sahara. And that's all the rocky planets. And yes, I skipped Earth because I'm not a geology channel. Next episode we'll go over all the gas and ice giants. So, on that note, I'll see you next time.